Hello, in this short lecture I will talk about the structure of the observable universe. Actually, the Earth rotates around its own axis and completes a full orbit in 24 hours or in one day. And then the Earth also revolves around the Sun and completes a full orbit in 365 days or in 1 year. The solar system that contains the Sun and the 8 planets that orbits around it rotates as a one unit around the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, and completes a full orbit in 225 million years. Then our galaxy, the Milky Way, rotates around its own ring and completes a full orbit in 620 million years. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, also orbits around the center of the Virgo supercluster, and then actually the Milky Way is part of a larger structure that is called the local group. The local group actually is a cluster of galaxies that contains 54 galaxies, and it actually rotates around its own center in the speed of 400 kilometers per hour. Then the local group is part of a larger structure that is called the Virgo supercluster, and the Virgo supercluster is part of a larger structure that is called Laniakea supercluster. And Laniakea supercluster contains 100,000 galaxies, and it is 100,000 times more massive than the Milky Way galaxy, and it is actually spans along 520 million light years. That is to say, it takes to the light 520 million years to move across the entire structure of Laniakea supercluster. And the Laniakea supercluster actually moves towards another supercluster that is called Shapley. And Shapley supercluster is 650 million light years far away from Laniakea supercluster. Now I will answer to the question, what is the biggest structure in the observable universe? The biggest structure in the observable universe is actually the supercluster Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. It is actually 10 billion light years long. That is to say, it takes to the light 10 billion years to move across the entire structure of that great wall, and it is actually 10% in size of the observable universe. Okay, thank you very much.